Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking us on descending order, which is from big to small. Now let's start with our lesson objectives. What are the things we're going to learn in this video? Number 1, definition of descending order. Number 2, arranging in descending order. Now let's look at the first one, which is definition of descending order. Descending order simply means arranging numbers from big to small. It also means from up to down. Now when arranging in descending order, remember that you are moving from a bigger number to a smaller number and you count backward. Looking at that, our arrow is pointing down, which means we start from 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Also, looking at the animal there, the animals are moving back. That is, they are decreasing. Now let's go to arranging in descending order. We start with 9 and we keep moving. We have 8, we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Remember, we counted backward and not forward. Look at the first example. We should arrange in descending order. 65, 21, 76, 93 and 34. First, underline their first numbers. So we're going to write out our numbers. Okay, we have done that. Let's underline the first numbers. We have 6, we have 2, 7, 9, and 3. Next, counting your numbers starting from 9 and pick the numbers as you count. Do we have 9? Yes, we are going to write our 9 to 3. Do we have 8? No. Do we have 7? Yes, which is 76. We have 6, which is 65. We don't have 5. We don't have 4. But we have 3. So we're going to write our 34. Then finally, we end with what? 21. Let's go to the next example. Example 2. Arrange 66, 49, 18, 82, 33 in descending order. First, underline their first numbers. So we're going to write out all our numbers. We're going to write out all the numbers out. After that, we start underlining the first numbers. So we go with 6, we go with 4, we move to 1, we move to 8, and we move to 3. Next, counting your numbers as starting from 9 and pick the numbers as you count. Remember, we are counting backward. So there is no 9, but there is 8. So we have 82. There is no 7. There is 6. We have 66. There is no 5. There is 4. We write our 49. There is 3. We're going to write our 33. There is no 2, but there is 1. So we're going to write our 18. So that is backward descending order. The next example is telling us that we should arrange 53, 87, 47, 54 and 99 in descending order. You know the first thing to do, which is always to do what? To underline the first numbers. Now we're going to write out all our numbers out. We are done. Let's underline the first number. We have 5, 8, 4, 5, 9. The next one is counting your numbers starting from 9 and pick the numbers as you count. Remember, we are counting backward. There is 9, so we're going to write our 99 since we are starting with 9. There is 8, we're going to write our 87. But there is no 7 and there is no 6. But we have 5. But 5 appears in 2 numbers. So what are we going to do? We're going to underline their second numbers and then we count. So let's underline. We have 3 and we have 4. And if you remember, counting backward, 4 comes before 3. So after our 87, we're going to write 54, 53, and finally our 47. Let's go to the last example, which is also arranging in descending order. The numbers have been given to us. Remember your first step. Our first step is always to do what? To underline our first numbers. Remember that. Always underline their first numbers. So we're going to write out all the numbers and then we'll underline. So I've underlined our 9, our 3, our 5, our 8, and our 5 again. The next thing is always to start your counting, starting from 9. And remember, you are counting backward. And you also pick your numbers as you count. We have 9, so we're going to write our 91. After that, we have 8, 8, 8. Do we have 7? No. Do we have 6? No. But we have 5, which is in 2 places. So we're going to underline their second numbers, which is, we're going to underline our 5, and we're also going to underline our 2. When counting backward, 5 comes before 2. So the first thing we're going to do, write our 91 out. Then we'll write our 88. We'll pick the 55, pick the 52, and then we're going to write our 13. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, to subscribe, and to share this video. My favorite class 247.